How to multiply fractions. There are three simple steps to multiply fractions. The first step is to multiply the top numbers, and the second step is to multiply the bottom numbers, and the third step is to simplify the fraction if needed. So 2/10, right? So if you divide this 2 by 2, then you will get 1 and you will get 5. So 1/5 is the answer. That is, you can simplify here. 1/5 is the answer. So this example has helped you to understand how to multiply a fraction by another fraction. But look at this example. This is a fraction and we have to multiply this fraction by a whole number. So at first step, I have to express the whole number as a fraction. You can express any whole number as a fraction considering 1 as a denominator. Now you have to multiply the top numbers. And then in the second step, you have to multiply the bottom numbers. And now you have to simplify. Don't forget to simplify 10/3, but look, this is an improper fraction. We always want to express improper fraction to mixed number. That is why we have to divide this 10 by 3. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 10, 9, 1. So here 3 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder and 3 is the divisor. So this is the answer. And now look at this example. This is a whole number and this is a fraction. So how to multiply a whole number by a fraction? So at similar technique will be applied here. Now just multiply the top numbers and bottom numbers, right? So now we have to simplify. That is, we have to cancel the common factors. So we can also rewrite this fraction like 3 times 3. Now you see we can cancel this 3, so we are getting 2/3, and this is the answer. So now I am going to give you a rhyme so that you can remember how to multiply fractions. Multiplying fractions, no big problem. Top times top over bottom times bottom, and don't forget to simplify. Simplifying fraction means you have to cancel the common factors from numerators and denominators. Thanks for watching this video. Be well.